Hello and welcome to this video tutorial about creating screencasts in Linux. Screencasting in Linux can be as easy as screencasting in Windows or Mac OS. The only difference is the use of different applications for recording audio and video. Even though we use free open source applications for screencast recording in Linux, the quality of such screencasts is as good as the ones produced by commercial programs. The principles of making screencasts are the same on both platforms. You create video and audio streams separately to be able to edit and clean them. After that, you combine them into a single video which you can upload to YouTube. Today I will talk about 3 programs I use for making screencasts in Linux. These are RecordMyDesktop, Audacity and Avidemux. So let's get started. Let's begin with recording video stream with RecordMyDesktop, that is a desktop session recorder for Linux. It is located somewhere among applications multimedia. Here it is, Qt RecordMyDesktop. On the first launch, you will notice a typical application window that serves the purpose of defining some basic parameters of the recording and a new entry in your system tray icon that is primarily used for runtime control of your recordings. The main window includes a preview thumbnail. This widget depicts a scaled version of your desktop, which can be used for defining the area of recording. Just define the area on this widget to be recorded and you will see a black square that limits the area of recording. Everything within this area will be recorded. Beneath the desktop preview, you will see a button called Select Window. You can use it to configure the area of the recordings on a single window. For example, press Select Window and press on the window you want to record, and that's it. Everything within this application will be recorded. A very important element of the interface is the checkbox on the right of this is sound quality scale. When this box is checked, sound recording is enabled. When it is empty, there will be no audio recording and the resultant file will consist of only a video stream. Beneath the audio and video quality setting, there is a large button named Advanced. Clicking that will bring a new window that will allow you to set a vast number of options and fine-tune to the behavior of the program. You can specify some preferences to your recordings. Finally, when you are finished, hit the button named Record to launch the recording. Now everything that is going on within the specified area will be recorded. Let's do some edits to our document. Anytime you can press right click of the mouse on the system tray icon and you will pause the recording, and the same way you can restart it. After you are finished with your recording, double click on a system tray and the video will be encoded. After encoding is finished, you can go to see the video we've just recorded. Here it is, ODV. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, this is what we have just done to our document. Well, that's it with RecordMyDesktop. Now this file is ready for future fine-tunings. When you record video with RecordMyDesktop and want to upload it later to YouTube, remember about the recommended aspect ratio and the video resolution. That should be 16:9. So when you're going to record screencast that is going on inside some window, in my case this is Firefox browser, you can easily count the necessary window size. When I'm moving any window or changing its size, you will see the size of the window displayed in the middle of the window. So if you decided that your video height will be 500 pixels, make its width approximately 889 pixels, so that the proportion 16:9 is preserved. Then go back to RecordMyDesktop and press on Select Window and select Firefox browser in my case. And now your video will be recorded in a good size, and then it will be labeled as high definition video on YouTube. For future work with this video file, we have to convert it into a suitable format. For this, I usually use Mencoder. I open terminal and type in the corresponding command, where out.av is the input file, out.av output file, and specify the codecs to be used. Press enter, and here it is. Our new AV file is ready. Now it's time to record audio stream. For this I use Audacity. Let's open this sound editor. What we need first of all are such buttons as record button, pause button, and stop. I usually open my video file in the background, and while it is played I record audio stream for it. So let's open our video file. Then I will press play and simultaneously start recording audio. Here we go. Now I'm saying everything that I need for our audio path. Something about let's select the tags, make it unordered list and ordered list. Now let's save this document. And that's it, the video is finished, and we hit stop button on Audacity. Now it's time to make some edits to our audio path. We can select some pieces of the audio and delete it if the audio is too long or there was some wrong words said. We can also hit the play button to listen to what we have just recorded. Besides, I usually get rid of the background noise. For this, I select a piece of audio with no voice, then go to Effects, Noise Removal, and press on Get Noise Profile. Then select the whole stream, again, Effects, Noise Removal, and press OK. And after some time, the audio is much cleaner and there is no background noise in it. And now we have to save. I press on File, Export, and give some title to my audio. Here I can select what format it will be. Usually I use WAV format for this. And that's it, it is saved and is ready to be combined with the video stream. The final step of the screencast making is to combine video and audio streams into a single video file. For this I use Avidemux. I open necessary AV file. Here I can see information about this track. See, there is no audio information available yet, but after we add audio stream we will see it here. So let's add our audio. Go to audio, main track, and select external WAV. Then browse for the audio file we have just recorded with Audacity. Press open. OK. And now if we go to the file information, we will see audio is already available. Now let's save this file. Go to File, Save, Save Video. Type the final video title. Let it be Final AV. And press Save. And that's it. Our video file is ready. We can go and check whether audio stream was successfully added. Yeah, Here it is. Now this video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube.